Imagine a business where you don't handle inventory, you don't pack boxes, you don't have to worry about shipping logistics or managing a warehouse full of products. Instead, you focus on what truly matters, growing your brand and reaching customers. You don't even need to leave your couch. Picture yourself working from the comfort of your home, or even while traveling the world. The flexibility and freedom that dropshipping offers are unparalleled. This is the allure of dropshipping. It's not just a business model, it's a lifestyle choice. One that allows you to balance work and life in a way that traditional businesses simply can't match. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model that's perfect for entrepreneurs of all levels, especially in 2025. With minimal upfront investment, you can start your own online store and begin selling products without the usual financial risks. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting, dropshipping offers a unique opportunity to achieve financial freedom and be your own boss. You can test different products and niches without significant financial commitments, allowing you to find what works best for you. In the following sections, we'll break down the steps to launch your own dropshipping empire. From setting up your online store to finding reliable suppliers, we'll guide you through each crucial step. We'll explore everything from finding the perfect product to marketing your store and scaling for massive profits. You'll learn how to leverage social media, SEO, and other digital marketing strategies to drive traffic and convert visitors into loyal customers. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Success in dropshipping requires dedication, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards can be substantial. It takes dedication and effort. You'll need to stay on top of trends, continuously optimize your store, and provide excellent customer service to stand out in a competitive market. But with the right strategies, you can build a sustainable income stream and achieve the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. So let's dive in. Get ready to embark on a journey that could transform your life and open up a world of possibilities. Dropshipping is simple. It's a business model that allows you to sell products online without the need to hold any inventory. This means you don't have to worry about storage costs or managing stock levels. Instead, you focus on marketing and customer service, while a third-party supplier handles the logistics. You sell products online without holding any inventory. This is particularly advantageous for those who are just starting out and may not have the capital to invest in large quantities of stock. It also allows you to offer a wide range of products without the risk of unsold inventory. When a customer orders from your store, you purchase the product from a third-party supplier. This supplier could be a manufacturer, wholesaler, or another retailer. The key is that they handle the warehousing and shipping, so you don't have to. The supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. This seamless process ensures that your customers receive their orders promptly and you can focus on growing your business. You never touch the product, making it a hands-off business model. The benefits are numerous. For one, you can run your business from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. This flexibility is perfect for digital nomads or anyone looking to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Startup costs are incredibly low because you don't need to invest in inventory. This makes dropshipping an accessible option for entrepreneurs with limited funds. You can start small and scale up as your business grows, minimizing financial risk. You can operate from anywhere in the world with an internet connection, giving you ultimate flexibility. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or simply working from home, dropshipping allows you to maintain a work-life balance that suits your lifestyle. Dropshipping also allows you to test different products and niches without risking large sums of capital. This means you can experiment with various markets and find what works best for you. If a product doesn't sell well, you can easily switch to another without incurring significant losses. This makes it an ideal business model for first-time entrepreneurs. You can learn the ins and outs of e-commerce, from setting up an online store to marketing and customer service, all while minimizing financial risk. It's a fantastic way to learn the ropes of e-commerce and gain valuable business experience. You'll develop skills that are transferable to other business ventures, such as digital marketing, customer relationship management, and supply chain logistics. With hard work and dedication, dropshipping can be your ticket to financial freedom. By leveraging the power of the internet and the efficiency of third-party suppliers, you can build a successful online business that provides both financial rewards and personal fulfillment. Choosing the right niche is crucial for dropshipping success. It's the foundation upon which your entire business will be built. Without a well-defined niche, you risk blending into a sea of competitors and failing to attract a loyal customer base. A niche is a specific market segment with unique needs and interests. By targeting a niche, you can tailor your marketing efforts and product offerings to meet the specific demands of that audience, making your business more appealing and relevant. For example, instead of selling generic clothing, you could focus on eco-friendly yoga wear or vintage band t-shirts. These niches cater to specific lifestyles and values, allowing you to connect with customers on a deeper level. To find a profitable niche, use tools like Google Trends to identify trending products. Google Trends can show you what people are searching for and how interest in those products changes over time, helping you make informed decisions. Explore platforms like AliExpress and Amazon to see what's selling well. These platforms can provide insights into popular products and emerging trends, giving you a competitive edge in the market. Look for products with high demand but low competition. This balance is key to ensuring that your products will sell well without being overshadowed by too many competitors. Passion is key. Choose a niche you're genuinely interested in to stay motivated. When you care about what you're selling, it shows in your marketing and customer interactions, making your business more authentic and engaging. Remember, the goal is to find a niche you can dominate. By becoming an expert in your chosen niche, you can build a strong brand and loyal customer base. Don't be afraid to experiment with different options until you find the perfect fit for your dropshipping business. Testing and refining your niche is part of the journey to success. And your supplier is your most important business partner in dropshipping. They are responsible for product quality, packaging, and shipping times. Choosing the wrong supplier can lead to unhappy customers and damage your reputation. Prioritize suppliers with a proven track record of reliability and quality. Look for suppliers offering fast shipping times, preferably from domestic warehouses to reduce delivery times for your customers. Don't hesitate to order product samples to assess quality firsthand. Effective communication is key. Choose suppliers who are responsive to inquiries and provide excellent customer support. Building a strong relationship with your supplier is essential for long-term success in your dropshipping venture. Setting up shop. Building your online store. Your online store is your virtual storefront. It's where customers browse your products, place orders, and interact with your brand. Creating a professional and user-friendly online store is paramount to your success. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce offer easy-to-use website builders and a wide range of e-commerce features. Invest in high-quality product photography to showcase your products in the best light. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight benefits and features. Ensure your website is secure with SSL encryption to protect customer data. Offer multiple payment gateways to provide a seamless checkout experience. A well-designed and functional online store builds trust and encourages conversions. Marketing mastery. Driving traffic and sales. Building a great store is just the beginning. You need to drive targeted traffic to your website to generate sales. This is where marketing comes in. Facebook ads and Instagram marketing allow you to target specific demographics with laser precision. Influencer marketing can help you reach a wider audience and build brand credibility. Search engine optimization, or SEO, can improve your website's ranking in search results, driving organic traffic to your store. Email marketing allows you to nurture leads and build relationships with potential customers. Experiment with different marketing channels to find what works best for your niche and target audience. Scaling up from side hustle to empire. Once you've established a profitable dropshipping business, it's time to scale. This involves automating processes, expanding your product offerings, and exploring new marketing channels. Use tools to automate order fulfillment, customer service inquiries, and other repetitive tasks. This frees up your time to focus on higher-level activities like product research and marketing strategy. Consider adding more products to your store to cater to a wider audience and increase your revenue streams. Explore new marketing channels like TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube to reach a broader customer base. Consider expanding internationally to tap into new markets and increase your sales potential. Bonus tip. Branding and customer service, the secret sauce. Branding and customer service are often overlooked but are essential for long-term success. Your brand is what sets you apart from the competition. It's your unique identity, values, and story. Invest in creating a memorable brand name, logo, and visual identity. Provide exceptional customer service to build loyalty and encourage repeat business. Respond to inquiries promptly, resolve issues efficiently, and go the extra mile to exceed customer expectations. In the competitive world of e-commerce, a strong brand and exceptional customer service are key differentiators that can make or break your business. Conclusion: take the leap and start dropshipping today. Dropshipping offers an incredible opportunity to achieve financial freedom and be your own boss. With low startup costs, location independence, and the ability to scale rapidly, it's no wonder that dropshipping has become increasingly popular. Remember, success in dropshipping, like any business, requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Take the first step today. Research your niche, find reliable suppliers, build a beautiful online store, and start marketing your products to the world. The world of e-commerce is waiting. Embrace the dropshipping revolution and start building your empire today.